For the past couple of months, the whole internet has been buzzing with excitement about the new neural network, ChatGPT, which can write software code, compose essays in a literary style, perform financial calculations, and provide us with unlimited content. In today's video, what is ChatGPT? How to use ChatGPT to obtain unlimited content, what is it capable of, and why is Google afraid of it? Why is Microsoft so desperately trying to buy this development? Will neural networks be able to take away jobs from millions of people in the near future? It will be interesting. Enjoy watching. Of course, neural networks can take away your job, but they are unlikely to learn all the skills that a human can easily acquire. However, it depends on what information this neural network will be trained on. What is ChatGPT? Let's start with the definition. ChatGPT is, surprisingly, an AI chatbot based on the GPT-3 natural language processing algorithm, a system that its creators claim can solve any task in English. Agreeing that so far, it all sounds quite ordinary, the question arises, how did it gain such media coverage, and what makes it different from other AI chatbots? And here we step into the territory of fun. The whole trick of ChatGPT lies exactly in that same natural language processing algorithm. OpenAI, the bot's developers, aimed to create the most human-like and correctly speaking AI and trained it on massive datasets. Therefore, at this point, the bot is not only able to answer light questions in the style of Siri but also to retell hour-long movies in a matter of seconds, create software code upon request, reduce financial tables, write scripts, poems, and give detailed guides on any topics of interest to you. This versatility of the bot sets it apart from its competitors, as until now, most smart assistants have been focused on a more specific and limited list of tasks. Currently, neural networks have been uploaded with data arrays dated only from 2020, so the neural network does not have access to the current internet. Thus, it can be concluded that even what it is capable of now is still a slightly unfinished version, and in the future, when the chat is connected to the internet, we will apparently observe the rise of machines. Or something slightly more prosaic. ChatGPT only went into open beta testing on November 30th, and just 2 weeks later, insiders from the New York Times gave information that the top management of Google had a nervous breakdown, and a red code was declared. Why? It's simpler, nowhere. In reality, ChatGPT is used by users for the same purposes as a Google search engine. People look for recipes, ask for advice in specific areas of life, and ask to find errors in software code. However, according to major publications, the latest AI performs these tasks for the audience better and more substantively and does so completely free of charge, without annoying advertisements. Yes, sometimes the bot makes mistakes due to the limited database of 2020, but this did not prevent Google and its parent company Alphabet from officially prioritizing the development of products similar to what OpenAI does. But what is OpenAI, and who is behind the cultural shock of Google's managers? Well, one of the founders of this non-profit company is Elon Musk. However, he left the board of directors in 2018 due to ideological differences. Given Musk's paranoia about the threat of artificial intelligence, this can be easily understood. Incidentally, OpenAI was once supported by both Gabe Newell and Amazon, among many other popular billionaires, and over the course of its existence, it has already shot at the general public with visual neural networks such as DALL-E and smaller developments. However, after the release of the beta version of the all-powerful chatbot, the situation changed in a not very pleasant direction for the current management. The essence of the matter is that Microsoft invested a few days ago in the company for $10 billion. It sounds good, but the deal is structured in such a way that Microsoft will receive 75% of OpenAI's profits until their investments are returned, and then they will control 49% of the company's shares. In fact, Microsoft is buying OpenAI along with ChatGPT, DALL, and other companies' achievements. On the one hand, acquiring Google's main rival by another tech giant is a good event, as competition in the market is likely to lead to a struggle for new developments, the fruits of which we will enjoy with you. So how can you use ChatGPT to generate unlimited content? We will show on the example of OpenAI itself. We need to go to the OpenAI website at the top, click on the inscription Try it first. You have to register, click sign up and go through a quick registration. Once you've registered, you can start using ChatGPT by providing it with input. This can be a prompt or question, and ChatGPT will generate a response based on the text data it's been trained on. You can ask the bot to write a calculator, an essay, a script, or anything else. We enter our request in this and get a response from the bot. On the left, you can see the history of our chats with the bot and can start a new chat. And there you have it. We hope this video has given you a good understanding of what ChatGPT is and how you can use it to generate unlimited content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to avoid missing new videos.